In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline shape in Canva. To get started, open your design in Canva and make sure you're on the page where the shape appears. This method works best when you already have a shape added to your design, such as a circle, square, rectangle, or another basic element that supports outline settings. Once your design is open, take a moment to locate the shape you want to edit. Next, click on the shape you want to outline. When the shape is selected, Canva will usually highlight it and display editing options in the top toolbar. Selecting the correct object is important here, because the border or stroke controls only appear when the shape itself is active. After that, go to the top toolbar and click Border or Stroke Style, depending on the version of Canva you're using and the type of shape you selected. Canva sometimes labels these tools a little differently, but they serve the same purpose. They let you control how the outline of the shape looks. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure the shape is still selected and check the toolbar carefully. Once you open those settings, first choose the outline style you want. For example, Canva may give you different line appearances, such as a solid outline or other stroke variations. After selecting the style, adjust the border or stroke weight to change the thickness of the outline. A smaller weight creates a thinner, more subtle border, while a larger weight makes the outline more noticeable. This is especially useful if you want the shape to stand out more clearly in your design. Then click Border or Stroke Color to choose the outline color you want. This allows you to customize the shape so it matches the rest of your design. You can choose a color that blends in for a clean look, or use a contrasting color if you want the outline to pop. As you change the color, you'll be able to see the result directly on the shape, which makes it easy to fine-tune the appearance. And that's it. Once you've selected the style, adjusted the thickness, and chosen your outline color, your shape will now have the outlined look you want. This is a simple but effective way to add more definition and visual interest to shapes in Canva, especially when you're creating presentations, social media graphics, or other polished designs.